everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I'm going camping. Today I'm going to review the Decathlon QUECHUA 100 2-person tent. This is the cheapest tent one can buy. I already have the Fresh&Black 3-person and it's my favorite tent, and let's see if this one is up to standard. This is a €30 tent, imagine €30. So if you're going to go camping, just €30. But let's see the specs. It has its poser. Let's check a little bit what we have here. It's 2.6 kilos in weight, not that bad. 3-year warranty, 2-person. It's wider, 130 by 210. It has a small vestibule and the height is 107. But now let's open it up and check its contents, because it comes with everything you need apart from a hammer. This is the tent, comes in its own bag. It also has a carrying handle, or if you want to carry it by its handle. We remove the plastic out the rubber holders on both sides. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here you have pegs, and the pegs are high quality. They are in Velcro. On one hand it's a little bit difficult. We have shepherd's hook, and they are decent, very strong, not those very tiny ones. And we even have some guidelines. Here we have the contents. We have 11 stakes. We have the poles, and we have the, what's this? I think it's some rope, yes, inside. Then this is how we should make it up. We put the material down, the inner material. We put the two poles. We clip them. Then we put the rain fly on top, and we pack everything. It's very, very simple. Inside, let's open it up. Inside, we have to separate. We have the bottom part. We have the poles here, and we have the Flysheet. So let's start with this one. So my Decathlon QUECHUA tent 100 is up. It was very, very easy. It can be done with no experience, and it's looking good. So first you put the Flysheet square, so you know where you're going to put it. Then you put the poles like a cross. Then you have the tiny clips, you clip them in. Then you put the upper part on, and you fix it. You have these hooks here, because under here there should be the other hooks. If there's no wind, you can even not peg it out, this tent, because it's freestanding. But if you want to peg it out, and I always do, you have one in each corner. You have one for the vestibular, and you can even peg the sides. You even have loops, so you can attach a guy line. These are provided, but it's not going to be windy enough for it. And now, it's looking very, very good. What I miss from the other tent, which is the 3-person Fresh&Black, I think the MT200, but I will link. Here I have some vents for some air. Although here at the back we have a vent for air, which is quite big. No more than, and it looks good. Now let's check the inside. The zipper is covered with Velcro. We can open this up, and here we have this material. We have whole material, how you say, and net on top, which is good when it's windy, especially when you are in fine dust. This will prevent a lot of dust going in. But now let's go look inside of the zipper. Open it up, and we have plenty of space. It's really big. It's a real 2-person tent, this one, and we have a small vestibule to put our stuff here. Now let me grab my stuff and we start putting everything in to see how a full mattress will stay inside here, and hopefully even a bag. Let's see if everything stays inside this tent, because this is a 55-liter bag. Man, I have a Decathlon comfort mattress, which is very, very large, not the usual trekking mattress. I'm going to use the Flextail tiny pump. This is the number 2. I never tried it with such a big mattress, but let's try it out. The tiny pump was enough to inflate the mattress. I can close it. It's still not that cold. So the mattress is okay, the bag is okay. This one, what I normally do, I will attach it here, and we have an attachment point there. So like this, if I do like this, I have my lamp, and it's good enough. The back can stay properly. I have my drone, I have space for everything here. Now I just got inside my tent. It's decent size. It even has a pocket here, so you can put your headphones, watch, everything, phone. It has attachment here and an attachment here to attach something here. And this is the opening from here. It's closed with fabric all the way, so in winter you'll not feel so cold. It has some ventilation here with the pocket up there, and here I can leave it even on this, and hopefully it is even waterproof. I will update you later before I sleep about this tent, and then back in the morning I will get you a better review. Till now, thumbs up. And for 30 euros, what can you ask more than this? It's an amazing tent. Sit in from outside. It's not claustrophobic, it's big enough. And now let's close it. A good tip, always close it so no bugs go inside. And this is how it looks. Let's check another thing. If here, yes, Sarah. When you're out of the tent, you can turn this like this, and here you can close with this loop. One. It has only one. It's enough. And like this, it's good for now. Now it's raining, so it will be good test for the Decathlon tent. Better. It will be a full review. It's closed there, but now let's go under the tarp. Let's check it out. This is the first try. It's all wet with dew. It rained. Let's check if it's still dry inside. I shake it for water. It's full here, and like this we can get in, and it looks bone dry. So let's get inside. I'm continuing the review. It rained, no water anywhere, since it doesn't have a lot of ventilation. It's quite warm inside here. Outside is 17 for many of you. This is very hot, but for me it's cold outside. But we are with the bonfire, so we are good. No water got inside, and we continue the review tomorrow. So I will continue, and I will see you in the morning. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. I had a mega good sleep. I cannot open my eyes. The tent was perfect. What I could have changed is this one. I use it mostly for summer. I was good, but I was exactly. So it was cold there. I will have feel cold. But the tent space is enough, and everything was fine. So now let's wake up, go out, and make some coffee. Yeah? When I remove everything from the tent, I leave it to air out a little bit so it will dry out. And what are the pros and cons of this tent? The pros is, first of all, the quality and the price. Keep in mind that it's only 30 euros. It's amazing, this tent. And the quality is a Decathlon QUECHUA quality, so top notch. Number 3 is the ease to install. It can be done by anybody. It's so simple. It's windy, but I don't even have the guidelines. The cons, maybe and you have to expect, it doesn't have the quality of a much more expensive tent. I prefer a 3-person tent than a 2, but a 2 is very good. And I am in love with the Fresh&Black material from QUECHUA as well. But for the 3-person tent, you pay, it's double the price and a little bit more. But it's very good. So, will I buy again this tent? 100%. Are you a beginner and you want to go camping for the first time? It's a steal. It's the perfect tent. You can put a mattress. If you have 2 smaller mattresses, they will stay as well. What I like as well, if the vestibule was a little bit bigger and if the entrance was on the side. But keep in mind, this is a very small tent for 30 euros. It's a very good option. So if you are getting started out, don't waste big money at first go. With this one you have years of enjoyment. So big thumbs up, Decathlon and QUECHUA. So now I remove everything from the tent, I put everything in my bag, I leave it to air out a little bit, and then I start to remove everything, because up here we are getting cloudy. And if I can store my tent away dry, it's a plus.